Frontier Co-op is a member-owned cooperative that manufactures food and flavoring and aromatherapy products through its brands like Simply Organic, Frontier, and Cacia. Frontier is also a distributor of leading natural and organic products throughout the United States. Our headquarters is here in Norway, Iowa. You can find our products in a variety of sales channels. We have an e-commerce presence. You can go find them on Amazon. We also have much of our product go through distributors that serve big partners like Whole Foods, Sprouts, Wegmans, other markets as well. We operate in 3 big brand business units. And so when you're dealing with over 2,000 of our own SKUs, 7,000 of other people's SKUs, it creates a lot of complexity through our accounting strings and ultimately how it shows up in our financial reporting that we have to navigate and be able to take all that data in and spit out meaningful results for the organization. So modernizing with EPM has helped us really in 2 big areas. The first is on our just monthly financial reporting, the second is on budgeting. When I think about processes that have been simplified with Infor EPM, and I had 4 people spending almost 4 hours apiece putting together the reports and views, and then they didn't have any time to do analysis at the end. Now with Infor EPM, we're able to push a button, get all the reports in the customized view that our organization needs, and then my team has more time. They can spend those same 4 hours providing real insights and analytics into those results. Infor EPM has added a lot of budget efficiency to our process. Our FP&A team used to spend a lot of time putting spreadsheets together from various stakeholders to combine and consolidate into the views that our company needed to move forward. Now we have all that systematically done because they're able to then input information in a way that goes right into the system, which has saved considerable time, not only in the consolidation, but as well as the user input side. In addition, once they put their data entry into the system, they can actually load in their supporting sheets to justify those numbers. So when we look back at that number 6 months later and wonder why a number was budgeted the way it is, we can see the detail and the thought process behind it. It's not finance's budget, it's the entire organization's budget. And so for people to feel empowered that they control the numbers, it creates accountability and ownership of their budgets. As I think about where Frontier's headed and the growth that we think is possible, I'm happy that we have a solution like Infor EPM that's going to scale and grow with our business. As we add products, as we add brands, as we add businesses, I know everything can just slot in the existing framework inside the Infor EPM system.
With Infor EPM, this is the first time within Frontier's history where we've put a budget together on time. The speed of data is incredible for any organization, especially ours because we're growing so fast. So for individuals to be able to make decisions even a day, 2 days, 3 days sooner than they would be able to make previously, it can course correct, decisions that we would make in the future that pay untold dividends for the organization.
Before Infor EPM, ensuring the data is accurate and on time was the biggest concern and objective for everyone within finance and IT. So we had to work closely together at the end of every month to make sure that our GL accounts are mapped correctly, our structure is classified the way the finance team wants it. Otherwise, our P&L data won't be as accurate as needed and it provides the wrong figures. Now with EPM, all of this is behind us. Infor EPM gave the finance team a total independency. They are now self-sufficient. Every change that they make on our CloudSuite is flawlessly synchronized to Infor EPM, which allowed them to generate their financial reporting instantly. This year, with Infor EPM, there was almost zero request for any involvement from IT. Makes me feel that the users are happy, they have more confidence in the system, and they trust the data.
I see EPM as the foundation to help and sustain Frontier strategy for growth. It's not just reporting, it's not just budget, but it's the potential to lay out a roadmap for finance for what-if decisions, for capital investment decisions. And so we have the confidence that the numbers we are using are consistent with the operational performance that we have in our business. If you are implementing Infor CloudSuite, I think EPM should be as important. They both build together a huge value for the company.